baca anggrek, cado. This one?
Yeah.
Here?
Yeah. Ah.
Oh.
Yeah. No. Ah.
Ah.
Yeah.
So this one? Ah. Okay. Oh, they bleed too. I probably won't do it right. And do they eat these, right?
Of course. And it tastes delicious for us.
It's delicious.
Yes. Sometimes we just steam it, you know,
Steam it?
as a friend of a rice. So you have another food, especially with sambals.
Oh, I love sambal.
Yes.
It's one of my favorites.
Yeah.
Pertanyaan aja.
This is water spinach, an invasive species for the US.
Right.